Hey everyone, today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to put Verizon router in bridge mode. And welcome to Tutorials with David. So these are the steps that is to follow into putting your Verizon router in bridge mode. So from Verizon itself, here's what they need to do. First, you want to access the router page, then click Advanced tab. Refer to the Access Admin page for assistance. Next is from the left menu, click Settings and go to Network Settings. So it should be like this one right here when it clicks Network Settings and then Network Connections. After that, from the Network Selections or Connections section, click the network, which is Home Office, and then click Settings. From the bridge section, click the IP pass-through, check in box or checkbox, then click Save Changes. So it should be able to look like this: IP pass-through, then Save Changes. You want to wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the router to reboot. So when the device is returned to the normal operation, which displays a solid white LED, plug your own network equipment like router or switch into the LAN 2 port via Ethernet on the bottom of the router. And that is it on how to put your Verizon router in bridge mode.